The top 7 benefits of polyurethane foam concrete raising. If you're looking into concrete raising services, you may find yourself wondering, what is the best way to do this? In this video, we're going to share with you 7 of the top reasons why our polyurethane services can't be beat. Number 1, our polyurethane is quick and clean. Gone are the days of messy mudjacking projects and waiting to use your raised concrete. When we raise driveways or garage floors, you can drive on them as soon as we're done. Number 2, our polyurethane is durable and long-lasting. Once injected beneath your concrete, our waterproof material will not crack, shrink, or wash out like mudjacking. Number 3, our process is cost-effective. By being specialists, our repairs are very efficient, long-lasting, and protected with a great warranty. We eliminate the need for replacement with our quick, clean, easy solution. Number 4, versatility. As specialists in this industry, we have various polyurethane materials, each designed to best deal with your specific problem. From lifting extremely large structures, to void filling, to strengthening the ground deep below your slab or foundation, we can rectify most any problem. Number 5, older methods compound the problem of sinking concrete by adding significant weight to an already compromised area. Our polyurethane works to compact the weak areas and raise the concrete without adding significant weight. Number 6, polyurethane technology is less intrusive. Old methods required large holes to be placed in your concrete and heavy equipment to move around your property. Our process involves a small hose and hand tools which do not disrupt your lawn, landscaping, or flower gardens. Number 7, polyurethane is the choice of engineers. The benefits of polyurethane are not simply our opinion, they are indeed facts. Commercial properties, municipalities, and Department of Transportation projects require the use of polyurethane materials, not allowing any mudjacking slurries whatsoever. In summary, polyurethane is an easy choice. Our repairs are conducted by certified technicians and result in great-looking, long-lasting solutions to sunken concrete. The next step is for you to select the right contractor. Raising and stabilizing concrete is our specialty. In fact, Acme Concrete Raising and Repair is Chicagoland's original polyurethane specialist.